Okay, here we go. We're back. Fix the camera. Oh, so, took an old silk leaf that had busted down, the toy that we had just killed, made a nice little. Here we go. Might be a little long. It's great. We can always change it. So now we gotta get her into the new one. Which kitchen? Yeah, get it. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Alright, so we might have to try it again. Get it. We gotta make it closer to the door. Yes! Good. Good. This way. Good. Good. Ice. Fetch. Ooh, my bad. Poor human. Fetch. Humans are always the biggest problem in dog training, aren't we? Yeah. Sorry, I failed you on that one. Was not prepared. But for the first time using her new tool, we'll see if it works out. Good job. You ready? Good. Else, fetch. Else. So we just got to really work out this little hinky part of getting the door open and getting her in there. So, my brain's going to spin for a second, but I think I have an idea of a way to get her to want to do that quicker. Okay, ready? What if we did do that? You want to tie it up shorter? Is it too long? Let's try that. You got two options. All right. Good. Okay. Good. House. All right. So, oh, you took my toy. I want that real quick. Hang on, wait 1 second. The brain is turning, but we're going to turn. Okay. So, I want to get her. That's not the toy she wants. That won't work. What'd you give me? You ready? Come on. We're not going to go fetch outside. Outside. Here. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.